Here are the burning questions from the 2026 federal budget. Harry, let's go on to the first one. What changes have been made to capital gains tax?
The capital gains tax will change from a 50% discount on your capital gain to now it'll be adjusted for inflation. So you'll pay the capital gains tax on the real capital gain or the inflation adjusted capital gain at your marginal tax rate.
On to the next one. What changes have been made to negative gearing?
It will be phased out from 2027. It will be kept in there though for new builds. So if you buy to build a new house, you'll still be able to negatively gear. And that just means you can reduce your taxable income by the rental loss, but that'll only be for new builds going forward.
Next one. What is grandfathering? Now, this is related to the first two.
Yes, it certainly is. And grandfathering is a way in which you can preserve the investment decisions of people who already are negatively geared or already do hold assets that will be subject to the capital gains tax discount.
Will petrol get cheaper? This is a burning question and a lot of people want to know.
Petrol is unlikely to get cheaper in the near term. The government did not extend the cut to the fuel excise. From July, fuel prices will go back higher again as the tax comes online. But if we think about further out, it's likely that oil prices will come back down. We think the war will be resolved.
What tax offsets were announced in the 2026 budget?
The main one people will be across is the working Australian tax offset. From 2027 onwards, you'll receive $250 each year as basically a tax offset, so back in your pocket.
What tax deductions were announced in the 2026 budget?
There was a few tax deductions for businesses, including the $20,000 instant asset write-off, which will be made permanent. But I think for workers out there, the most important one will be the automatic $1,000 tax deduction. So instead of going and getting your receipts and all of that admin, every worker will now be able to deduct $1,000.
Thanks for your time, Harry. Did you have fun with the searches?
Yep, it was great.